How we doing, guys? Blazing Magnets, and nearly got a full squad today, so we're back out in Leamington. We've been here before, quite a bit back, and we thought we'd come back and give it a go. I know it's been dredged over here, but we're going to go and see what we can find. So look, we've got Boy Wonder with us today. He's come out and he's doing his own magnet fishing video. So if you head over to his channel, it's called Blazing Gaming, and you'll see it later on when well, probably tomorrow maybe, and when I put it on with ours. So let's magnet fish.
Blazing Magnets.
Right. Excuse me, I've got a bit of fluff in my mouth then. So yeah, we've got Ben. Ben's got his own. Ben's borrowed our old setup, and
Let's go, a piece of metal.
We've got the old GoPro out. See how it's going.
We're going to put a weapon.
He's all suited and booted, look, all magnet fished up. We've got Marie and we've got the Queen, and they've been pulling it already, look.
As you can see, I've been to the gym. I've got my certified weights.
So there you go, look. So a bite lock
5
out.
reps.
2 bite locks.
Too hard.
All that as well, look, bits of bite, quite a few poles. No, you need to put it over here, darling, in the rubbish.
No, I'm putting a pile over here because I'm not going all the way over there every time.
What have you got there, Carol?
We're going to fill out a gun some point.
Some clothing.
If you remember, last time we were here, what did we find? You should know what we found here.
An air pistol.
You did, yeah. The Queen found her first gun, which is our highest viewed video to date. It's got 8,000 views on it, that one. It was cool. I think it was called Full Crew Fishing, Guns, Sun and Farting. I think it's called.
Farting?
Yeah. Sock. Oh yeah, we had some socks last week, didn't we?
Put that to dry then.
Hanging them out to dry, socking it to them. Got a message in a bottle there, floating down the canal. Yeah, look. Still pulling them out, big poles. That's a good old bite lock, that is. We had a few bite locks last time, didn't we?
Yeah. A few bite knobs. A few
Pop
bite.
off the canal boat.
Ah, that's a chimney's chimney.
Is it?
Yeah.
I love poles.
Yeah, it is a chimney, isn't it? I've got the other bit of that at home. Still got that one.
You can do it.
Yeah. Well, no, actually, it is a chimney, wasn't it? You got.
The chimney pot, that is.
Well, don't drip it everywhere. Oh, yeah, because it's got the bands around it. There, look. Another pole. Queen's got something as well. I don't know what that is.
Padlock.
I'm
no.
going to go for the pole over
Is it a padlock?
I don't know whether it is a padlock or not. Yeah, it is a padlock.
Padlock.
Yeah, another padlock.
Padlock.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Padlock.
Padlock. Third padlock then.
That's a good
here.
one. Not any big now.
When you can fish out of the boat.
Okay.
What is that? What is that? That is a bit of a bike, possibly.
Yeah, it's forks.
Oh, yeah, set of forks off a bike.
Yeah.
There's still quite a lot in there, considering it's been supposed to have been dredged.
Oh, off the chair.
Ben's moved under the bridge now while I was moving him. And he's pulled out himself a nice pink scooter.
Pretty good, isn't it?
Can ride that one home. It's alright, ain't been in.
It's missing a screw.
It's got a screw loose. Tell you what, it's the 6th of Jan and it's looking lovely.
Mop. Do you want a mop, Marie? Oh, that's a twig.
Guys, I'm in jail for magnet fishing for 24 hours. Come help me. Help me!
Marie's just pulled that fork out. Look.
Very patiny.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Huh?
We're gonna win to mill this.
I still haven't understood what you said.
We're gonna win to mill this.
I have no idea what a windmill is. Well, I don't know what a windmill is. Yes, need to speak very clearly. Coming our way, we're all right. What's that? I don't know what that is. Weird. Oh. Marie's just had another bite lock. 6 we've had now. There must be bite locks around here everywhere. Marie's got a box now. You want to get that other one on it. Cash box. Cash box of some sort. Yeah.
Little cash type box, isn't it? Is it like off a phone?
Don't know whether it's. Don't know what it's that
Like a
stuff.
phone box one, isn't it?
No, they got a cash box. Empty, as normal. No surprise there. You never get one full. Probably a bit of a bike lock. Have a look. That's a bloody capacitor or something like that. God only knows. I have no idea. No idea. No clue. What is that? That's a door handle, isn't it? Or a toilet flush?
Yeah, it could be a toilet flush actually.
I think it's
It's a chrome one.
frame toilet flush. Nice.